Hello guys, this is an overview of GST portal. As we are now in a dashboard, we can see the laser balance. In the laser balance, first one is electronic liability register. When we update the GSTR1, just sales, when we update the sales invoice, that sales invoice IGST, CGST, and LGST will be shown here. And electronic cash ledger, when we some cash deposit on the GST portal, so we can see the cash in this. And electronic credit ledger is an ITC which we have not yet claimed, that will be shown here. In a file written, you can click the file written, and here you can return the file, or you in a pay tax you can pay the tax. And from here, you can view a turnover for the financial year, share previous years. For current financial year, you can see the turnover by clicking in this way. Okay. And from service tab, here you can see there's a registration. When we apply for the new registration, GST for new GST registration, click on the service and then registration, then new registrations. Geocoding principle place for business, where is the place of the business we have to update here. Any amendment on the registration of non-core field, like changing in a email, name, phone number, then we click on here. If you have a apply for composite levy, you have to apply from the application for the composition levy from here. If you want to withdraw the composition levy application, you have to click on here. Application for filing clarification. If you have any clarification for the filing, then you have to click here. Composition and core field. If you want to change in amendment in a registration core field, like address, anything specified the business core field of the business, you have to change from here. And if you want to cancellation of a registration, you can click here for the application of cancellation registration. In registration, in the case of the when you want to shut your business, then you have to cancel your registration. And for track application status, what is the status of your application, you have to click here. In laser, you can see your electronic cash ledger, electronic liability register, what is a liability, what is a sale register. You can see in a negative liability statement, you can see the negative. If you have any negative liability, you can see here. Electronic credit ledger, here you can see the ITC. If any demand you have to payment towards, you can go from here. In written, you can go to written dashboard. In a written dashboard, you go and you can file the return, track your return status, ITC form. If you want to TCS credit receive, then opt in. If you want to, if you are regular monthly basis GST and now you want to go to a quarterly basis, so then you have to go there. File view, file return, you have to return the file to view. Transaction form, annual return, you have to check from here. Tax liability and ITC comparison, you can do there from here. Return compliance. In payment, you can in payment you can see the how to create challan. You can click from here to create a challan history. You can see installment calendar. You can save the challan. If any application for defer or payment installment, you can write the application from here. For grievance against the payment of any complaint, any request for the grievance, you can go from grievance and you can do it. In user service, my saved application, you can go the my save, you can save your application, you can download your GST certificate, you can view your submission, holiday list, LUT, located GST practitioner. If you can want to see who is the GST practitioner for your local area, you can see from here. Pending or for action, cause list, my masters, service or advanced ruling. If you want to charge payment for GTA, you can opt from here. You can see your application notice. You can, if you want to see the notice or order by the GST law, you can see here, search for registration code, feedback, some view. If you submit the LUT application, you have to view from here. GST practitioner engage, additional notice and orders, communication between taxpayers, search view PTM, verify for RFN. You can search from here. And for the refund, if you want to application for refund, you, if you have any money in your electronic cash ledger and you want to back it, so you can file application from here for refund. Save and filed application, track your IC gate, refund pre-application form, track application status. You can track application status in refund not, if you animation of account refund not received yet, you can go from there. In eBay bill system, you can generate your eBay bill, track your application status. And if you have one in a in download, you can download your offline tool from here. For offline and online, we will start filing for GSTR one, I will show you how to file online or offline both. And search taxpayer, you can search taxpayer by searching in it by GST number, or search by PAN or temporary ID, or if you want to search composition taxpayer, you can search from here. In a help and taxpayer facility, you can go from here. E-invoice, for generating an invoice, you can go from here. This is the our GST portal overview. Thank you.